Hello, Chem 1814. My name is Elizabeth Markovich, and today we will be talking about topic number 4, which is identifying and naming functional groups, general properties of those functional groups. So I'm going to be referencing my computer screen because I took notes, so I'm not going to be constantly staring at the camera. Okay, so to overview what functional groups are, in organic chemistry, a functional group is a specific group of atoms or bonds within a compound that is responsible for the characteristic chemical reactions of that compound. That same functional group will behave in a similar fashion by undergoing similar reactions, regardless of the compound of which it's a part. They also play an important part in organic compound nomenclature, which we will be talking about as well. Combining the names of the functional groups with the names of the parent alkanes provides a way to distinguish compounds. So, that's a quick overview. When it comes to naming functional groups, we will mark all heteroatoms in a molecule, including halogens. Mark all of the following carbon atoms, which are atoms connected by non-aromatic double or triple bond to any heteroatom, atoms in non-aromatic carbon, carbon double or triple bonds, acyl carbons, which are connected to 2 or more oxygens, nitrogens, or sulfurs. These O, N, or S atoms will only have one single bond. All atoms in oxirane, aziridine, and thyrane rings, lost my train of thought, such as rings are traditionally considered to be functional groups due to their high reactivity. I don't believe we've covered that in this course up until this point, but I think that's important to note. Merge all connected marked atoms to a single functional group, and extract functional groups also with connected unmarked carbon atoms. And these carbon atoms are not part of the functional group itself, but from its environment. Moving forward, general properties of functional groups, and then also we'll be going into naming them after the fact. They play a significant role in directing and controlling organic reactions. Alkyl chains are often non-reactive, and the direction of site-specific reactions is difficult. Unsaturated alkyl chains with the presence of functional groups allow for higher reactivity and specificity. Often, compounds are functionalized with specific groups for a specific chemical reaction. Through routine synthesis methods, any kind of organic compound can be attached to the surface. So, in organic chemistry, the most common functional groups are carbonyls, alcohols, carboxylic acids, esters, and amines. It's important to be able to recognize the functional groups and the physical and chemical properties that they afford compounds. So, when it comes to IUPAC nomenclature of compounds of functional groups, you will find the longest carbon chain containing the functional group with highest priority. This chain determines the parent name of the compound. Change the ending of the parent alkane, alkene, alkyn to the suffix of the highest priority group, which gives the parent name of the compound. Number the chain from the end closest to the highest functional group. The other groups are named as substituents by using the appropriate prefixes. And then from there, we'll finally assign stereochemistry because, of course, we can't forget about stereochemistry in this course, which is easy, or in this case, RS as necessary. Thank you.